myself. I don't need nobody else. If my mind is shut, don't come near. Inside my skull is a kaleidoscope and something to fear. If I'm a monster, if I'm a monster, if I'm a monster, you should run. It's like I'm hearing ghost stories all the time. Maybe if you were platinum, you never have to hide. Feels like I'm on some roller coaster ride. Come sit next to me and look to the skies, up and down, round and round. My head's spinning now. As if I could breathe underwater, as if I could walk through fire. I'm stronger now. I'm stronger now. I'm stronger now. I'm stronger now. But would you still stay if I'm a monster? If I'm a monster?